Hi, I am Sankareshwari. I am going to explain Planck's radiation law. In 1901, Planck derived the formula which explained the distribution of energy in a blackbody spectrum on the basis of quantum theory of radiation. The distribution of energy is given by E lambda d lambda is equal to 8 pi hc divided by lambda power 5 exponential hc by lambda kt minus 1, where lambda is the wavelength of radiation, T is the absolute temperature, K is the Boltzmann constant. Planck proposed two postulates. The first postulate is a blackbody radiation chamber is filled up not only with radiation but also with simple harmonic resonators or oscillators known as Planck's resonators, which can vibrate with all possible frequencies. The second postulate is the resonators cannot absorb or radiate energy continuously, but energy is emitted or absorbed in the forms of packets or quanta called photons. As the energy of a photon is h nu, the energy emitted or absorbed is equal to 0, h nu, 2 h nu, 3 h nu, up to n h nu. That is, the energy is emitted in multiples of some small unit called as quantum. Now we can discuss about the derivation of Planck's radiation law. The average energy of Planck's resonator is given by E bar is equal to E by N, where E is the total energy of the resonators, N represents the total number of resonators. The number of resonators having zero energy will be represented by N naught. The number of resonators having energy E will be N1, that is equal to N naught exponential minus E by KT. The number of resonators having energy 2E will be N2, that is equal to N naught exponential minus 2E by KT. In general, the number of resonators having energy RE will be represented by NR, that is equal to N naught exponential minus RE by KT. Now, the total number of resonators will be N0 plus N1 plus N2 plus etc. up to Nr. By putting y is equal to exponential minus E by KT, we can obtain the total number of resonators N as N0 divided by 1 minus y. And the total energy of the Planck's oscillator will be E is equal to N0 E y divided by 1 minus y the whole squared. So by deriving the expression for total energy and total number of resonators, we can find the average energy of the Planck's resonator by E bar is equal to E divided by N, that is equal to E by exponential E by KT minus 1. According to Planck's hypothesis of quantum theory, E is equal to h nu. Therefore, the average energy of Planck's resonator is E bar is equal to h nu divided by e power h nu by kt minus 1. Now, the energy density belonging to the range d nu will be the product of average energy of the oscillator and number of oscillators per unit volume. The number of oscillators per unit volume is 8 pi nu square d nu divided by c cube. Now, the energy density will be E nu d nu is equal to 8 pi h nu cube by c cube into d nu by e power h nu by kt minus 1. This equation is the Planck's radiation law in terms of frequency. Similarly, the energy density belonging to the wavelength range d lambda will be obtained by using nu is equal to c by lambda. Then the energy density belonging to the wavelength range d lambda will be E lambda d lambda is equal to 8 pi hc by lambda power 5 d lambda divided by e power hc by lambda kt minus 1. This equation is the Planck's radiation law in terms of wavelength. Thank you.